Alright, welcome back, guys. Vlog number 7. It's 8:50 a.m. on February 2nd, 2018, day 339. Another beautifully cold, crisp morning here in Evansville, Indiana. About to head to work and then go get that money, make that money. And then after work, I'll be going to hit Planet Fitness for my Friday workout. And then be going to get something to eat, break down all my macros and what my fast period was and my eating window was. But go ahead, please like and subscribe. It will really help me out. Share with your friends. Also, if you don't want to subscribe to YouTube, always jump on Facebook and do facebook.com/BFray story right here, or search BFray story, all one word. But appreciate you. Go ahead, jump in the car, go to work, make that money, and then see you afterwards. Alright, it's 3:40. Just got off work about 10-15 minutes ago. I went ahead and ate my first meal of the day. The taco salad, no shell, ground beef, just lettuce, cheese, ground beef, and ranch, and some salsa. Macros for that meal I'll put down here. And then get ready to go to head to Planet Fitness, get that pump iron on, and then go get my second meal of the day. Probably be like a 20/4 fast a day, but my fast period I'll put up here, and my eating window I'll update whenever I get my second meal. Alright, be good. See you in a few, guys. Alright, it's 3:55. Just pulled up to Planet Fitness. About to go in there and do day 3 of this week's workout. So, see you in about an hour or so. and then go grab my second meal and update you on that macros and the fasting window or the eating window and everything. Alright, later. Alright, welcome back. 5 o'clock. Just got done working out here at Planet Fitness. Couple things. I did remember that I forgot to put the sound audio track on yesterday's vlog's little time lapse of me driving to work yesterday. Try to remember to fix that for future. And I did talk to the assistant manager here at Planet Fitness because I was unsure on what the camera recording policy at the gym was, and he explained that there is no policy, so it was alright if I do bring my vlog camera in. Nobody can really say anything unless I'm doing something stupid with it. But so maybe next week I'll do a little montage of my workout, not like a full time lapse type of thing, but maybe just a couple sets of each exercise or something like that. Who knows? But anyways, I'm gonna head back towards Midtown and make a run, and then I'll go get me my second meal of the day and finish up my eating for the day, and then most likely close out the vlog for the day. Alright, so see you in a few. Background. Hopefully this mic is picking up better because of the background noise, but I'll go ahead and call it for the day.